On the one hand, it's like, why am I in Slavic studies? I spent so much effort trying to get away from just this kind of, Slavic label. But now I realize, it's just a label. There's so much that goes under in this academic field, and I really think that when you're studying anything, that the minority experience needs to be voiced. And, I will teach Russian, I will teach Soviet culture, I will and I will also present the Jewish perspective. The experience of the intelligentsia, who are such a key part of Russian and Soviet culture, and most of them are Jews. So I believe that it is an integral part, and there are people who agree with me, certainly, and I think that, it is becoming an asset for a Slavicist when you're on the job market to have a background in Jewish studies, among other things.